Umwanju morigeri nande niko charagire chinse sano na ibere kroriri tukoria Jumamosi nya satu anjiri tanyona na SMS ya mangana maya ye chinse sano na ibere lingo manyina rali atekire ko ruchingo ngonye chenza nene kroriri tukoria Jumamosi kitariki ni sano ne mumoti enyo gatano gatatu umwaka w'igirubire ne merongo ibere nebere egarotoro cy'abana siasa riri tukorio mwaelio ko yakereko ko asijinsemo egarotoro cya omoboli bwa Kenya kwanza bode asensemeri ya Nyayo stadium bekarwende kuyakera ekoko boiko mo bwa Miuro moja niko bara senseme ya Kasarani ekero na baro ujugwakera ekoko yo mwelyo kubuli abakenya banyare bakubasira asobochori bure bosieka tutugati amatuka beroka ucha sobochori bonne bwo mwaka oyoiga nigo yarenge myaka egaike kaba matuko nande bono nigo yatigera matuka beroka ucha sobochori bure bosinere libageli abene ukwari ne amangana itama ya yejisa nabere eringo manyina ali twende ko gusangilia nene krabana siasa wende kuyakera ekoko yo mwelyo litko lyalero yogongonya sensemeli yo munwe manyelyo nigakorokwa Joshua Uta niriane Brighton Makoli. Aye jinsa isano ibere cyabumase ni godoga cyaka uyo kuriye kero kibuga banase county ya Kisii Josiah Onyancha uyo kuriye kero kigo otabwatie kyama gosokori gibene litukuraro nige akireko ko ekera ikasensemo ya taxi anena asa koremeremo osaka korire emeremo asibona nyaraga ko bori abamenyi be county ya Kisii na bakenya bonzi kwena kinangura libaro morembe ekero to goswa sobochori bonne bwo mwako yo yakakwana bogo nigatebiruna na bwatoko semelia bonachikura cyumwako ni ojigo bicho bwena mo nubwasioku
rere nabuga ngatiganje bosongo gaya riane asingo kodera etegisiga enji nongo nyora rende ikebako kianega keronde bosanta bwatikende kokora yarenje nari tayete nabuga nkwanira abantu baminto wonsi munyagitinge igoro yo obachori bole bosi oli tukulya Jumaine minto digango basorora iga toake chikura no molembe oyorabu aisaneke kuna abana inji baito bacha kuamua
ekero boiga bana siasa bagendete gwakira ekoko asiri tukuria ulio mwerio aseji campaign chiabo oyo kurigero kyobo chumba asebunganya ribali masaba gwederekia magia kanu irali nyanga niganyarira kuburia bamenyi benseme yuko mosira na kumwakira chikura elinde nigabwata marora mayego chiasaba kinyari bali masaba bonzi nigatebiruna erewa isikoma chora nigara isikore munjule manene ase ebungeyo ya nyalibali masaba
ngoragenda maje mutagete jipara moko bolia maiti 1 kilomita ibere ngorarete ekipalejo mutagete stima mumaite stima mwakorosi stima ali aba engineer yali bali ngachorire eloya 1963 mugachora administrator and a diplomat 1979 mugachore medical professor 1988 mugachore doctor 1992 muiweze mugachore molisia 2013 mugachore DC 2017 banyo kumanyana kipara ngoro sikire banyo kora kipara change amaki mwanyorire a solution ya nyali bali masaba engakieye noko joromo engineer akwa mole bintu bya kwamire miaka yonsi muna na kwa mole stadium ya Kisii this stadium ya kwamba 30 years nganye kwamura mumaitego ngaira Kisumu ga stadium ende bono taite kwa aje yende gesaba kwa international ebwete ya Kisii mogo nyolo mogo ntambo ya tariki 9 moiwete epara ya keroka ibacho kiamo kama birongo nje ndanye beke tamak moiwete epara ya nyansurago ramasha liomba se junction nje ndanye beke tamak
Korwa sebunge ya nyalibani masaba ni goto kwenda wika sebunge ya South Mugirango asebono mubunge o South Mugirango boigo kuriye kero ikya sentundende ya kabere gwetera sekiama kya UDA sirmanda yo sora nyaretega kwena chipasi kya sikuru awao asensemeyo ka okwana asensemeyo na bamenya abuni gatebetebuna nerebuya bamusire na komwa sentundende ya kabere ikya ni gagwata maya asensemeyo ni go boigo bali banyarete bakonya chipasi ejigo saborokia bejiskuru eji banyarete bakomwa kirambuya na komobuli buna mbachi kumosira asobochori bole bosio
Inko batebia ayamin inko batebia koretande bas amini inko batebia ngokorande kene gyose amini aiga se motone ine kero korire riga ari basi biribire kurwaria bikomeka meka ine lasmusere Tayana ine Muna mogo tara bugirange njima Ria sema korra buru orino osoro Wana koko chaka korra chibasi chinyinge orino osoro balitu anyarago ikera egera bakobe basi ya ndurumba tatu lakini ya bugichoncho tu agorote ero ametaburo tu ya kobete moisonde ero tuigwana ile anya gichenja principal nare gantu abaete ero ekero naba anyamondo enya ekero ngo bateri gokorande gento gete yakembene nero kyabigori ekero naba bateri gokorande gento gokorande biko bateri twebangire tokore gasiamo twebangire biko bateri una chumaine ngore tukoro chukura
Ekero ngotigana na yo soro koru South Mugirango ni ongo kwira wika sebunge ya Bonchari ekero tokonyoro yo kurie kero kyo bobunge wetera sekiama kya UDA Kirif Ombeta niranyarega koboria Bonchari bonzi go chikomwa kera chikora ase jitari kikianda elio achikoreta monjoro ya senseme yuka okwana bamenyi benseme yekarende tegwa kerekoko nigateberuna nigabwatamaya kuchasa Bonchari ekero bara mweli baga lyoko mochumbe obo
Tinda eti kobara se geta kene ma wande me basalia borre ekere mo akere mo chimata alia Mama jamne basalia borre macheta yo barata yo nene mo akere mo chimata alia Mo chimato chandete Se paracho zero chino charo siwo chari Gorende Numorochi Mokono Na kiko batebi Wata mato Musogo tokuo Taretiza Ekero weka alise balor Sende lele Otara keku ego Musogo to Oko museboro Oma korazo wake kura Chibe esa chiro chiche ground Motoriro to be expensive Motoriro to be expensive Maguta matuka nkonyera more kora
Omo wasiri bwechisemi Professor George Magwa ni gabona singire ote abuna mborobero CBC ni gochiko gendera no etu gochwaka chikura kolengana nere ni gateruna serikali ya bikire mirobero ya bene kwene kibuna no nya serikali endeke goja ni go morobero yochiko gendera asense yetu ya Kenya ka okwana aseskuru ya bamura ya nturu ime ya gatundu ni gabona teberu no bwagaji bwebirasi bya CBC ni go boikiranire asekerengo kemeronge 5 nomo ase emia.
Takes 14 days. Where you are waiting whether somebody is going to court or not. True or false? True. So those 14 days, you think I'll be sleeping in the house? No, you'll be seeing me working unless the Wananchi say I should stay in the house. If they say so, I will gladly stay. Our assessment is that until such time that the government is sworn in, until such time that there is another president, we are assuming that the government is going to continue to work. When you delegate completely, you lose control. Are we together? But when there are issues, when you hear them firing missiles, do you hear them firing the missiles to the juniors? They fire the missiles to you. So they should let me do my work. My time is just a few more days. And I think I've enjoyed my work basically because I've been serving the children.
Ekero kiombe kyo bachoria mone chimbebe IBC kigendete kweria ngo chia so bachoria bonne bo mwako yuiga kubotekana no munyakero bwe kiombe kyo afira jebukati ni gobana nyare kawate abuna abo bisa batano bali banyarite bakubwatira ni wano kunganya aba kichigura uchinsemo ni gobana marieta banyarira kubwatuko guchia se OBC ya Director of Public Prosecution Nuden Haji elino kokorwa bolingoli na kumanyangi kirete egakoreki kokorekana.
I must say that so far the parties have lived and candidates have lived with the expectations of the code of conduct, except a few incidents where we received reports and we forwarded the complaints to the DPP. I believe the DPP is dealing with those cases where there were a few isolated incidents. There were cases of transfers, unauthorized transfers, and it involved some of our staff, 5 of them. Our internal mechanisms then went into investigation and gave us a report which identified those officers, and we forwarded that report to the DPP. I believe based on that report we forwarded the DPP, that's why he has then initiated investigations through the ESCC. In compliance with the said decision of the High Court, in Constitutional Petition number E306 of 2022, shall now deploy the printed register of voters at the polling station where names of voters shall be crossed out after identification of voters using the KIMS kit.
Aboroki wa Kianda bali babegetwe byara ase university gusikurwa ase university ya Moi nigo bono banyarire bakwigorurwa ne bondi nigo banyarire bakwigorurwa ne cash payli yenuswe million go se bondi yenuswe million go se bondi ye million yemo henga go chamaega yaba kagerwabu banyaride bakuruta masakara yoko gosereria ase chinsemo ichibono nigo babwatokiru ase kina kyabo gochiko tegererwa ase amatuko alebosio.
These students found these leaflets on the media. They disseminated it. They disseminated it to the general public, and now they are before the courts to answer for the same. The purpose of dissemination was to raise alarm and to tell the general public, the student family, we the tribalist student family, that these leaflets were not meant to cause alarm and infringe on national security.
As the Constitution lives and breathes, so is the presumptions of innocence. Our brothers are still innocent until proven guilty. We will move. We will exhaust all available remedies within our disposal to ensure that our comrades whom we stand with today are released and the matters acquitted because they are innocent.
For all of you in all the 3 counts, and each of you is admitted to bond of Kenya shillings 1 million, surety similar amount, alternative of cash bill 500,000 shillings.
Oyo kuriye kirego kyo borai bwense gweterekia makia UDA boigoro mokonyi bo morai bwense Dr. William Ruto abori tukorigoro kubwaterana n'ababwatani bobombo wa Kenya kwanza nigo banyarite bakwigora okubwaterana gose bayigo banyarite bakwigora okubwaterana akwa barai gose keribane ngito jokorera ba Kenya kerbaranyare bakubwa chikura chirebosyo hamo nabali bameta se chinse chesko.
The Kenya Kwanza fraternity has revolutionized the politics of Kenya. It is different. It's never been done like this. And it's amazing how Kenyans have come along with us. And our friends on the other side are on a panic that it's not enough that they are doing opinions every day. They have even decided to erect billboards. That shows you the level of desperation in our competitors' camp, because they cannot cope with the message and the plan that we have. The people of Kenya, I want to encourage every Kenyan to interrogate the only plan available in this election, the Kenya Kwanza plan. So, and I want the people of Kenya this evening to look at our plan, to interrogate our plan, and vote for our plan.
Boigo aserit kuliarero ruta taragenda ase chikampeni au siku ya kireka engoko ase chinsemo au nigo anyara kagukwana bariki bamangana ase county ya Nairobi asate abuna niga semerete no bochori bore bosio nigo bochiko bobo bochori bobo enamo no bwasyoku.
We submit to peace, not because we are shy or fearful, but because we understand the need to have an environment to invigorate our ailing economy that needs all of us to fix immediately after the election. For this reason, we reassure all investors, local and foreign, of protection of their enterprises and businesses. We welcome all the local, regional, and international partners of goodwill to come and assist in reawakening the giant that's the Kenyan economy. Ours is a coalition for change, and we invite you to be part of this change. Our policy is that there is everything for
Ruto hamone timu ya yani gobojo kora irari yabo gose gwa kireko go yamwere asegeti Kenya Stadium asirit kurara ronto chigwenda gukumanyinga kibagenda gwa kireko ka senseme yiko tusko bosio omo bwasi miura moja bokora wanu mugabana bwe county Kakamega wikirifo baranya nigo bona baro bari gete kubwatana wechinsemo 10 ayo alengete go sayi barengete bojo kora ba Kenya kona baro bwatoko semelia buna nigo bawchukubwa chikura chirbosio.
Come up. The team has come up with specific manifesto for every region. You will find that some regions will require water immediately, while others will not require. For example, in Ukambani, the eastern part, they require water like yesterday. While western, they will require the revival of the sugar industry by yesterday, because that has been the major economic activity. Because of this, it was important that we come up with a specific manifesto. We have yet to agree how this will be implemented, but we are working on a structure that will actually focus on the implementation of the manifesto. A full time.
Rubeni Kigame oyu batogo sembelinere kobe kwa buno murwaneli bwekero kebura ibwense asensi ya Kenya sobojo rubosyo ni wana tebru na obojo na bokorekana ni gawo juika seke kambere kanene Supreme Court eri kwa mbere yogo choru kwa nene kera machire kembe kwa bojo ya moneji mbe IBC asogo takirani magani aye nere yokuri kero kanene kebura ibwense ya Kenya.
If you ever doubted that IEBC is consistent in ensuring that I am not on the ballot, now you know. And never mind that they went ahead and printed ballots for the presidential poll while I was with them in court. Someone is determined to see that I do not run as your next president. But they are wrong. My turn is coming and I'm going to run, and I'll explain to you shortly. Perhaps let's just do it. In the second point, the second thing we want you to know is that I will be headed to the Supreme Court to challenge the results of the presidential poll. IEBC did not conduct a fair, transparent, and credible nomination process when it came to the presidential candidate's nomination.
Kenya, nendeni mkapigie Kigame kura. Lipo tumaini.
Ayo naro na kwarianeria se jinse jiga kunde nyona gekoraga chinsa komiti abamara no chikomera na bariki baito no chikomera na into SMS mangana mayeri twende kumanye nali andete kwateka imena isko ya gusiko nenda seka kirebosyo ninchikwira na SMS yiga gosa sense mende ninde tumanye kuligereria anene kero mugeni onawe ka se studio kero to kwanna mangana ya Abasubati anene kero tukonyona na rutu mongina obure bichanga oyo kuliekero kyo MCA Ase egwodi ya Abaschache yigotoka sebunge ya Abasi gonko chatornere atutebina ingi kiragere tochora Abasubati Ase birugo bya bochori bore bosio igongwira na tori nere turateba ningi gekogera osingigira ire tochora Abasubati abanga asibirugo bire bosio asobochori bore bosio obokora kana tariki kyando mutinyo tana toto omwaka uyo yotoska ngwira nande ende turakwandira mangana nabo kwenda gutumira uchumbe ya nyinge osebirengere bya na ingi kiragera tochora Abasubati abange asobochori bore bosio genda gutuma uchumbe ya gwetera se namba ira siskini ya igura abo bego na botonyora sensemo yemitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital bega sense media YouTube na boko tonyora Ndizi TV News bego na boko tweet @Ndizi TV kwa kira bonsi mbiamono bari bagera mangana yako ikere krato na Frida Kirbo oyo nkonya sense mirimo rwibonyererio nigakorogwa choshwauta oyo ne kimuna amali ogine chibicha go tira senjira ya bene nigakorogwa Betrone Mokeira neriane Brighton Makoli.